Hello everyone and welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you what's inside the box of the new HUAWEI Wi-Fi AX2 router. So the first thing that we see after opening the box is the router itself. Now here, after we take it out of the box, you will see that it comes with 4 antennas. The 2 are back here and the 2 are on the sides. Now there's more in the box, but it's under this. So here what we have is a warranty card, and here we have the instructions or the guide to start the router. Now here we also get the short Ethernet cable and the plug to plug the router in. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.